Hello, welcome to Crafty Solutions. I love the silhouette of vintage sewing patterns. Let's turn this beautiful vintage sewing pattern into a stylish top that blends perfectly with modern fashion trends. Let's start by cutting out dress pattern in your size. I am a size 12. This is the easy part after you have cut out the dress pattern. Next, I did not cut the full length of the bottom half of the dress. I only cut the fabric pattern 15 inches long from the waist. So now I am making the top by sewing the dots on the bust area. I started with the dots. One thing about vintage patterns is they have dots in the back, on the bust, and on the chest area. I am also using a serger in the process. I am serging the interfacing, as you can see here, so that it will look nice and neat on the inside of the dress. Now I am sewing the interfacing onto the neckline. This is the neckline that I am currently sewing. Then I iron. You cannot skip this step. Ironing the top will make it look really nice and even easy to sew. So make sure you iron as you make this top. Now I am pinning the lower half of the top. And then I will sew and then attach the middle part of the pattern. See, after sewing with iron, like I said, you cannot skip the ironing. Now I am attaching the middle part from the bust to the lower part of the top. This is the tricky part. First off, you gather the bust area. That way it's easy for you to sew. Just gather it a bit and pin it down like I'm doing in the video. Then you sew it, and now we're ironing. Like I said, you cannot skip the ironing, so you need to iron. Now we are almost done with the top. Now we're sewing the back. The same process. You'd sew and iron and attach. I am attaching the lower part of the top to the upper part of the top. Then sew and iron. And as you can see, I am sewing. Now I am attaching the lower part. Now this is the arm. The arm also has 2 dots. It is really beautiful. It gives it a nice curvy shape when you wear the sleeve. Now I am aligning the front and the back pattern, pinning it so that I have a good, ensure that I have a good cut when I make the cut on the bottom part of the top. I am actually not measuring anything. I am just free. I'm using a free hand. I just eyeballed it and just started to cut. I made the marking and I cut. As you can see on your screen. Then on the side, I'm going to be adding a side tail. No measurement, just freehand marking, and I cut. Now this is where I attach the tail, the side tail, to the top. And you sew this first. I sew that part first. Then attach the other side and sew. And don't forget to iron. Now, more done. This is the finished top. It's all sewn up and hemmed. I've hemmed it, I've ironed, and voila, this is it, the top. I'm going to be pairing it with Shirred shorts. I have a video on how to make these shorts. You can click on the video to watch how to make the shorts. It's a beautiful, versatile top. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share the video, and see you on the next video. Thank you.